Okay, measuring progress. So, been practicing my Lotus position and various exercises because it's this one that isn't going up. So I'm just going to measure my results. So some of the drills I've been doing are this one, which I think I got from Ashtanga Nurse. So he says basically try and do this for 5 minutes every day. So this basically, this is supposed to go down here and this, but apparently it takes forever. But anyway, so I've been doing that a bit. So then swap sides. So it's really hard. Okay, so let's see how my Lotus is doing. Okay, so also this one was quite good, and then pushing that through, and this one, yeah, okay, so let's go. Right, so sitting up straight. Right one first, because this is the goodish one. So up, and then push back, and then this is supposed to be straight, and then I think you pull your calf like that, suck your stomach in, and there. Okay, so that's my tummy button there, and metric or imperial. Right, well, it says 4 inches basically, so this has got to go up a little bit more. So how do you get that up more? Let's try metric, because that might be a bit more precise. Okay, so 11 centimetres. Okay, so that's that. How do I get that further up? Well, this is good. This is good. So it does actually go up a bit more. Oh, that's better. So what's that, 8 centimetres? Anyway, still nowhere near where it should be. Okay, so let's try the other one. Now this is hard, because this one you've got to shuffle up. I did actually do it quite well in the week when I was really sweating. So it sort of helped this one. Okay, so there we have it. See, nowhere near. Anyway, I'm going to record this every day, no, every week, maybe on a Friday, and see how my challenge goes. So watch lots of videos, but you know, it's hard, the Lotus, because it stops you in the Ashtanga primary doing, actually improving. So there we go. Agony.